Before going to the video, this is a request to like the video, share in your various accounts, and after watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to get notification of the further videos.
Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to use text arrow. So why we need text arrow? In this example there are three numbers of curves. If we have many numbers of curves and the type of colors and markers are not available, then how to distinguish by using text arrow. Say run it first. There are three numbers of. If we just comment the legend, now we cannot distinguish the thickers. Now we insert here from text arrow, right? So this is for sign, right? Now going again. This is arrow. This is text arrow. This is cos, right? Insert text arrow. This is sine p, like that. So in this frame, if we have many numbers of curves, then it is not possible to define all the curves in legend, because the area of the uh, frame is limited. If you can think, if there are 100 number of plots, then how will fit the legend in this small frame? Then this is the easy way to define the curves, like by using text arrow. So this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you.